Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about dimensions of health. This class is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, you just click on I button and you will get link of the lecture in Hindi, and you can visit my channel also. What is dimension? Dimensions means we can say that the parts of health which constitute the health. Actually, health is multidimensional. The WHO definition tells us three specific dimensions that are physical, mental, and social health. There are some more dimensions as well, such as spiritual dimension, emotional dimension, vocational dimension, and other dimensions. We will discuss them one by one. First is physical dimension. The physical dimension of health is easiest to understand. The state of physical health implies the notion that perfect functioning of our body. The signs of physical health in an individual are a good complexion, a clean skin, bright eyes, lustrous hair, with a body well clothed and firm flesh, not too fat, a sweet breath, good appetite, sound sleep, regular activity of bowels and bladder, smooth and easy coordinated body movements. Physical health ranges in quality along with a health scale. Here you can see from optimum health to extremely poor health. So it is a dynamic process where a combination of diseases such as cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases and hypertension are at one end, and a person who is at optimum physical condition is at another end. Mental dimension of health. Mental health is not merely absence of any mental illness. Good mental health is the ability to respond to many varied experiences of life with flexibility and a sense of purpose. More recently, mental health has been defined as a state of balance between individual and the surrounding world, a state of harmony between oneself and others, a coexistence between the realities of the self and that of other people and that of the environment. The mind and body were considered independent entities. However, researchers have discovered that the psychological factors can induce all kinds of illness, not simply mental one. They include the condition such as essential hypertension, peptic ulcer, bronchial asthma. Some major illnesses such as depression and schizophrenia have biological component. Social dimension. The social dimension of health includes the level of social skill one possesses, social functioning and ability to see oneself as a member of a larger society. In general, social health take into account that every individual is a part of family and of wider community and focuses on social and economic conditions and well-being of the whole person in the context of his social network. Means the person should be social if he wants to stay healthy or looks healthy. The social dimension of health refers to our ability to make and maintain meaningful relationship with others. Good social health includes not only having relationship but behaving appropriately within them and maintaining socially acceptable standards. The basic social unit of relationship is the family, and these relationships impact a person's life the most. Other key relationships are close friends, social networks, teachers, and youth leaders. Spiritual dimension. Spiritual dimension relates to our sense of overall purpose of life. People often find this purpose from a belief or faith system in the superpower. while others create their own purpose. A person who has purpose in life is said to be healthier than those who don't see a purpose of life. As a relatively new concept, it seems to defy a concrete definition. It includes integrity, principles, and ethics. The purpose in life, commitment to some higher being, and belief in concepts that are not subject to state of art explanation. They are just our belief and thinking. Emotional dimension. Emotional health is about the person's mood and general emotional state. It is our ability to recognize and express feelings adequately. It relates to your self-esteem as well as your ability to control your emotions to maintain a realistic perspective on situations. Emotional health relates to the feelings. Experts in psychology have been successful in isolating the emotional dimension from the mental dimension of health. They both are separate. Emotional health affects other dimensions of the health of a person as well. Vocational dimension. The vocational aspect of life is a new dimension. It is a part of human existence. When work is fully adapted to human goals, capacities, and limitations, work often play a role in promoting both physical and mental health. Physical work is usually associated with an improvement in physical capacity, while goal achievement and self-realization in work are a source of satisfaction and enhanced self-esteem. For many individuals, the vocational dimension may be merely a source of income, but to others, this dimension represents the culmination of the efforts of other dimensions as they function together to produce what the individual considers the life as success. Other dimensions of health includes philosophical dimension, cultural dimension, socio-economic dimension, environmental dimension, educational dimension, nutritional dimension, curative dimension and preventive dimensions. It means all the aspects of our life affects our health. Thank you students for listening this lecture. You can subscribe my channel so that you can get latest update of such videos. You should like my Facebook page, and for making your notes just visit my blog mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and you can join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.